Hi, I'm Emma Jacobs, and today for challenge one, which is for the polls, forums, and surveys, I chose to do a Google form. Google form is really nice because it allows you to have questions as either multiple choice, true or false, short answer, paragraph, and so on. So I created mine over lesson one, early American colonization, and I did a little description here about how you must earn 80% accuracy to earn the points. And I made sure that the email is required. This is how you track your students. So then I created multiple questions. Many are um, single choice, multiple, or there's check marks where you check mark multiple of them. And then you can upload pictures to help the students, true or false. And this is really a valuable way for teachers to gain um, that data as to what the students have learned. So this is how you add a question right here. And then it might hop all over here. Let me find it. Right here. Okay. So then you can choose what kind of question you want. You can even download one, date, time, add picture, and then have an answer key, which you can change the settings up here in settings. And then you go back to questions. You can make sure that if you want a question required, you can click the little require button. You can also add a description and shuffle the option order. And then it'll be different for each student. So I'm just going to delete that and then save my original changes. So then you can customize color. You can go through and see a preview of what it would look like to a student, undo, redo, and then you can send it. So you can either send it as like to collect emails. So you can send it through email, link, um, that type of thing. And then you can even invite and add collaborators, which is really nice. So I submitted a link to my floor Slack. I am an RA, and so I have about 50 students, but it is spring break, and so I only had 3 reply. But at least I got the information. So as a teacher, I can go to responses after sending the link out, and I can get all of the summary data from each of the people who created or who done this. I can see their scores, their emails, how they did, that kind of thing. And this is really good as a teacher to see all the data and see where we need improvement, and that kind of thing. So you can see a summary. You can also see individual questions and how they were answered and who answered them through all 11. Well, through however many you have, but I have 11. And then you can go to individual. So then you will see the individual person's email and what they answered, which is really nice. And then if you want to export the data, you can print the responses, download the responses, or you can create a spreadsheet that would automatically go into a spreadsheet, and then you would have all the information according to student and what they answered and what they need to work on, which is really nice. Other than that, settings is really nice because you can really figure out how you want to set up this assessment or survey. Um, so that is mine, and I really suggest this for teachers.